Hi everyone! Do you struggle with applying lipstick and want to know more about it? In this lipstick hack video, we'll show you everything you need to know about the right lipstick application. Are you ready? So let's get started. The first thing you need to do before applying any lipstick is to prep your lip. Use the Essence Coconut Kiss Caring Lip Peeling to peel your lips. In case you don't have our lip peeling, apply a good amount of lip balm and then go over your lips with a clean toothbrush. Just brush your lips by wiggling the toothbrush from one side to the other. This will exfoliate your lips and take dry and loose skin cells off. And because you applied lip balm before, you will moisturize your lips, which is perfect for the next step. If you have a very strong natural lip color, this hack is for you. You can reduce your own lip color to let any lipstick shine in their true color. Just apply some concealer onto your lips. This will cover darkness or even your lips out. Blend the concealer with a makeup sponge. This will make your lips look more even and your lipstick color will look much more vibrant. Level up your Cupid bow with this hack. Make it sharp and shiny. All you need to do is draw an X on the top of your lip and then connect the X with the rest of your lip. Start from the inner corner of your lips upwards. This creates a fuller look on your lips. Then, you'll fill the rest of your lips as you normally do. Have you ever thought that your lips could look this good? If you ever recognize any uneven lines after hack 3, this trick is for you. Use your favorite concealer with a small brush and take a tiny amount of product on. Then, you start cleaning the line. This creates a really clean and sharp edge. You want to transform and customize your lipstick in seconds? This will give you more color variety even with a small collection. Use a nude lipstick and apply it over a darker or brighter shade. Et voila! You will get your own customized lipstick shade that no one else has. This hack is all about making your lipstick last longer and mattifying it. Take some loose powder and take any excess off by tapping the brush on the container. Then, place a thin tissue over your lips. Tap the loose powder onto your lips. Take the tissue off and you will have a long-lasting lipstick. Any shiny shade will have transformed into a beautiful matte shade. Do you want to make your lips look fuller? Take a shimmery highlighter and place it over your Cupid bow. Press it gently on the center of your lips. This will give you the illusion of a fuller lip. If you want to learn how to apply mascara perfectly, watch this video.